Dyson vacuum ASMR. I don't have a Dyson. I don't have a Dyson. I actually have a funny story about buying a fucking vacuum cleaner. Because I wanted to buy something that wouldn't be like... Wouldn't be more than... What is this video? This is a talking video. I wanted to buy something that wouldn't be more expensive than $200. And I ended up buying something that was $400. And Dyson was like 500? And I was like 100 away from a fucking Dyson and I still didn't buy it. I should have fucking just bought it. Because the fucking... Okay, the sales lady, when I was looking for a vacuum cleaner, she sold me...
Donating to the Dyson Fund. Get you something nice, girl.
Nah, I already have a vacuum cleaner. It's just that the selling lady was like, oh, this is like our popular vacuum cleaner. And I was like, oh, what's the difference between the cheaper one and the one that is more expensive? And she sold it so well for me. For the expensive one. So I got the one that was more expensive because I thought it was worth it. In the end, I realized it wasn't because the problem was still the same. I thought that the one that was more expensive wouldn't like collect my hair on the... It was basically easier to like clean the hair off the brushes of the vacuum shit. But it still gets stuck in the wheels, which was my problem. And I've been fucking not... Man, I feel like any vacuum is gonna have that problem. I hate that it gets stuck in the wheels and then you can fucking slide in. Scammed. It's not rough for hair. Fuck, time to be fucking bald. I'm gonna shave my head and buy a new vacuum. Annie, brush your hair. I mean, I am brushing my hair. That's why it is falling around and shit. Why do you think I'm not brushing my hair? Happens to you too. Long hair gets everywhere. You have long hair. Oh. Long hair annoying. I've been thinking of cutting my hair, but I don't know. I've had long hair for such a long time. Return the Dyson. I said I did not buy the Dyson. I bought a Panasonic, which is like almost as pricey as a fucking Dyson, bro. I mean, the cheapest one at least. I don't know if it would be any worth getting the ones that are more expensive. Panasonic. Is Donut TDS broken? No? I don't think so. You should use the link in my bio. Maybe you're using a wrong one because there's Stream Elements and Streamlabs. The one that works is Stream Elements. I changed it. Good night, Jordy. Good night. Good night. Why do I see... Never mind. Thanks to the... Wait, did you send me money? I'm so sorry. No. Wait, did you send anything on Steam Elements? It shouldn't be broken. I don't think it's broken. Eh? Eh? Ah, see?
Testing donos.
See, it's fine. Think you're done. Scammed by vacuum lady. Scamming Chad. Bald Annie. I don't want to be bald. I don't want the bald. Don't give subs. I don't want to be bald. No. This guy. No. No. Ain't no. I didn't ask. I was like, don't. Thank you, pasta. No comment. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this reverse psychology thing? Hello? Thank you, no, man. Thank you, man. Yeah. No save date. Don't know. Thank you. What the hell? Kick. Don't kick at me. Well, the word don't is actually yes for us. That's the rule. So if I say gift me subs, you're not gonna gift? Will I be spared? Gift me subs. Correct. Oh. No, it didn't work! You're fucking lying! You're a liar! It clearly didn't work! What the fuck? I can't believe it. You asked for them. I didn't. Stop. Oh my god. I'm gonna fucking leave.
Here you go.
No. No, here you go. Oh my fucking god. You guys are trolls. What the fuck is that? Awesome moment. Thank you so much. What the freak? Thank you, Sunday morning pancakes. That's a cozy name. Flash, thank you. Bambi, stop it. Thank you. Let's save data. Good job, soldiers. We need to remove that emote now. Now! Now! Thank you, Le Croissant. Burger Ball. Burger Ball. Stop gifting. It's your birthday. Grr. I'm scared. Thank you. I don't know what to do with you guys. I say don't gift, you gift. I say gift, you gift. Did I just go to sleep? Did I just go to sleep? Girl. I'm doing my part. First time message. It's his first time here. And he's doing his part. What the fuck? Giga chat. 07. What a chat. Unbelievable. You can give subs even when you sleep. I guess I'll die. Will I still be getting gifted subs? Yes. My subathon will still go on. Yes.
Ah, I'm a guy. Thank you forever.
Thank you forever. Thank you forever. Thank you. Forever and ever.
I'm doing my part, Annie 7.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Bugs. Saturday morning pancakes. Well, long guy in the chat. Is that pancakes? There was a guy with long names with pancake in it. Walrusing around, thank you. Bungus. Girl. No, we're not going back to 51 hours. That was a one-time crazy thing, and thank you very much. I need to go. Wait, I need to go grab a tissue because I spilled something. Ah!
I am a poor university student and these are my last monies.
No way! No way! Stop! Stop doing that. I'm gonna go grab a tissue. Hold on. Oh, and I need to do this.
I'm honey.
Dicks!
Did I wipe it? Wait. Why are you listening? Stop listening. Now. Also, what the fuck? I have these customized buttons on my Switch. Twitch. One of them fell off. Grr. Okay, it's fine now. Buggies. I like this song. I would fuck. Oh, the Tetris playing. I actually want to play some Tetris. Maybe. Look what I have. Here. I have these buttons thingies. Animal Crossing themed. Yes. It's cute.
I'm honey.
Thank you, type of demon. Get the prime, welcome. Galaxy Step, thank you. The thing gifted. Oh yeah, my daily Tetris. Shit. Yeah. I think it should be a new day now, right? Bam 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 bam.